Let's drive together. I'm gonna show you how the streets look like here. These ones, small ones, have not been plowed yet. The major streets have been plowed, but the small ones, not yet. That's an alley. Maybe it's hard for you to see how much snow we have on the ground, but it's a lot. It's a lot of snow. We've been digging out after a winter storm. If this is the first time for you to visit, thank you so much. Give us a like, subscribe, support the work. If you're already a subscriber, I appreciate you. Continue watching our videos. As always, it's nice to see comments, nice comments. This is my hood the day after winter storm. It's a post office vehicle. Yeah. Just want to share POV driving, what it looks like. You're gonna see a major difference when I get to the main street. They plow those first. It's slippery. I'm sliding. And though I have a 4x4. But you know, the ice doesn't matter what you're driving. You're gonna get, if it's slippery, it's harder to drive. Now see this street here? Got the difference. Nice and clean. It's cleared. The problem is the side street. They clean those later, like last. That makes sense. Let me show you this one here. This is St. Paul, Minnesota. See a plow there, private. Looks nice out. Right now it's 20 degrees. Look at that. It's not that cold. It's a baseball field over there. It's covered with ice and snow. It's a school. It's called Crossroads. See on the sidewalk, on the side of the street here, that's a tiny little thing. See that? See, they are cleaning snow because it turns into like a rock. So I think that guy is crushing it and just dumping it, blowing it onto the side. That's clearing the parking and the bike lane also. See where those guys are? That's a bike lane. Doing a lot of digging today in Minnesota, the entire state. Actually, I think up north by Duluth, they had more snow than in the Twin Cities. I heard people say they had up to 2 feet of snow. Two feet is a lot of snow. I think we had a foot, 12 inches. Going to the bar. There's a Speedway gas station right there. I come there quite often. Speedway. And that's my bank over there, top line. See how nice it looks out there. I mean, the snow. The snow and ice. I washed my car yesterday, but now it's all dirty. Alright, take it easy, take care. Come back and watch the playlist. Peace out.